Welcome to another tutorial about timelines. Previously, we made a video about how to make an infinite loop with timeline animations. If you missed it, please check the YouTube channel. Here, I will show you an example about how to use constant loops. I am currently working on this scene, and I want to rotate the wheels and make an intro where the bike comes from outside the scene. So instead of making one animation with many rotations, I can simply use the constant loop in my timeline. This is how it works. Go to the outliner and search for the asset that you want to animate. Open the Properties node. Now go to Actions and add an Animate node. Change the name of the node and set the duration to 60. Here, you can see how long is that in seconds. I will enable mapping, and on the x-axis, I will enter the value 1. Then, I will disable mapping, push the duration till the end, enable mapping again, and now I will input the value -360. By doing this, you will avoid having possible hiccups in the loop animation. I can now simply repeat the same for the rear wheel and connect them to my timeline. Go to the outliner and add the timeline now. Change the name of the timeline and now just connect the Animate node. And change the loop time to constant. Here, you can add as many repetitions as you need. In this scenario, I will simply add 2. When I play the animation, now the bike stops perfectly where I want it. However, if you want to add more repetitions, make sure to adjust the duration on your timeline. Otherwise, it will not play a seamless repetition. That is all for this quick tutorial. Thank you for watching.